Welcome back. In the previous session, we started the chapter Sound and learned how sound is produced. Today we are going to discuss more about sound. When you listen to the sounds by plucking the different strings of a violin, you will understand that the sound emitted from all the strings are not similar. The same situation. There is a difference in the sound produced by Chenda and Idakka. What may be the reason for this difference? Let's find out the reason for these differences in sounds produced by different sources of sound. For that, there is an activity for you. Suspend a small pebble from a string of about 50 cm long. Move this pebble slightly towards one side and release. We can see that the pebble moving to and fro. You would have studied such a motion. And this type of motion is oscillation. Once again, oscillation is the to and fro motion of the pendulum about a fixed point. The bob completes one oscillation when it swings from B to A and then A to B. This arrangement is known as simple pendulum. The number of oscillations made by the simple pendulum in 1 second is its frequency. The unit of frequency is Hertz. Frequency F equal to N divided by T, whereas N is the number of oscillation and T is the time. It is difficult to measure the move in 1 second. Here is a method to find the frequency of the pendulum. Take a stopwatch to measure the time. Bring the bob in one side and then release the bob. At the same time, start the stopwatch. Count the oscillation. Stop the stopwatch as soon as it completes 10 or 15 oscillations. Make a table and enter the time taken to complete 10, 15 and 20 oscillations to make a few readings. For each reading, calculate the frequency of the pendulum by divide number of oscillations to time. If the time taken for 10 oscillations is 14 seconds, then frequency F equal to number of oscillations divided by time. That is equal to 10 divided by 14 equal to 0.714 Hertz. And the time taken for 15 oscillation is 21 seconds. Then frequency equal to 15 divided by 21. That is equal to 0.714. And the last one, number of oscillation is 20. And the time for 20 oscillations is 28 seconds. Then frequency F equal to 20 divided by 28. That is equal to 0.714. Is the frequency same in all cases? Yes. You will find that the frequency is same in all cases. And now you got how many oscillations does the simple pendulum made in 1 second. Now change the length of the pendulum to 60 cm and 80 cm and find your results. If the length of the pendulum is 60 cm and the time taken for 10 oscillation is 15 seconds, then frequency equal to 10 divided by 15. That is equal to 0.66 Hertz. Then change the length of the pendulum to 80 cm. If the time taken for 10 oscillation is 18 seconds, then frequency equal to 10 divided by 18. That is equal to 0.55 Hertz. What do you understand from this? Yes, as the length of the pendulum increases, frequency decreases. Let's do another activity to know the speed of vibration of an object more than a pendulum, that is, high frequency vibration. Fix one end of a hacksaw blade on a table and set the free end into vibration. Is the frequency of vibration of the hacksaw blade greater than or less than the frequency of a simple pendulum? Yes, the frequency of vibration of hacksaw blade is greater than that of a simple pendulum. The sound produced by simple pendulum cannot be heard because the frequency is low. But on vibrating a hacksaw blade, its frequency being high, the sound can be heard. There occur a difference in sound in accordance with the increase in frequency. Set two tuning forks of different frequencies into vibration and listen to the sounds. Notice the frequency marked on them. Don't you experience the difference in the sound produced by them? Yes. When a body is set into vibration, it vibrates with a particular frequency of its sound, and this frequency is its natural frequency. When the steel tumbler, hacksaw blade, and tuning fork are set into vibration, the reason for the difference in sound that emerged from them is due to the difference in their natural frequencies. Now, let's try to answer this question. If the frequency of sound produced by a table when tapped with a pen is 200 Hz, what will be its natural frequency? What is its natural frequency? Yes, the natural frequency of the table will be 200 Hz. Because the table vibrates with the frequency 200 Hz. Dear students, let's conclude today's session. Today you have studied about the reason for difference in the sound produced by different sources of sound. Is it clear? Simple pendulum. It's a very important topic. Study well and see you in the next class. Thank you.